We are not mechanics. Please watch only for entertainment purposes. Everything we do or say is most likely wrong, dangerous, or plain stupid. Don't let Dave's good looks sway your judgment. Don't let Juan's rugged exterior make it seem like he knows what he is talking about. I mean, even our name, UnHandy Mechanics, is an oxymoron.
Oxymoron. Hey, hold up. You can't do that. That is a diss. I ain't no oxymoron, all right?
That should tell you everything you need to know about us. Oh, like and subscribe.
All right, change of scenery.
We're at my house this time.
Yeah, we're at Dave's crib. Dave got a nice little BMW here. What is it, a
430i.
430i?
2017.
2017, nice. You wanted something a little more luxurious.
And the battery's bad.
Well, yeah, I'll put it up there, but there was about 19 sensors that came on after we purchased the vehicle.
I mean, 19.
19, but
no, but it was a good, at least like four to 7.
Yeah, so I mean, it felt like 19. It might as well be 19
yeah.
when you just buy a car. So they changed the speed sensor.
Yep.
That did not help.
Well, it fixed it for a day, and then the next day I went to drive it. 3 more alerts came on, and then it went into limp mode. I had to turn the car off, turn it back on to so I could actually drive it home.
Yeah, so
then we did more research, and apparently the battery can cause that.
Yeah, so hopefully it's just the battery. Got a battery, so we'll do a quick little how-to of how to change the battery on a BMW. All right, so we're gonna take this bracket off. It's two 10 millimeters.
You guys should know I'm not very good at this. I always break shit. So let's try not to lose.
Yeah, let's not break anything here. And always remember with your battery, I'll say it a million times, take your negative off first, and then your positive, and then when you're putting it back on, it's the opposite. You put your positive on and then your negative. Bracket. And then also you gotta remember that vents for the battery. Yeah, I guess we'll have to look once we pop this one out to see if there's anything else we gotta take out there.
All right,
so let's go for the negative over here, Dave. Should be 1 10 millimeter on this.
Can I just grab that?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, here, grab over here. Chicken shit. Makes me do it.
You can't.
A little bit more. There you go. You know what? Here, I'll hold that.
I'm gonna grab that.
Grab that our little hack that we do. Just so that this does not hit, because very easily it likes to hit, especially when you're...
I'm just having...
Flashbacks of when you
I
got
did to
shocked
your
like
car.
a moron. Well, that was your fault.
I'm good.
Another 10.
And that should be enough. There we go. Let me grab the other one.
Now let's take off the vent. I would imagine it just kind of pulls out.
Yep. There you go.
There we go. Oh, that's simple enough. All right, battery's completely disconnected. It's gonna be a heavy bitch. Oh, you know what?
There is a bolt down there.
Okay.
It's fucking bolted in.
Okay, so I need to find where this bolt is. Right down in there. That connects.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, that connects in there. It's very hard to see, but there's a bolt right there. You'll see it. You gotta dig your head in there. There we go.
There it goes.
So you got 13 way the hell down there. Now you should be able to pull the battery, because now it's out of the way. Hold up. There you go.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ. So where that bolt is right over here, and it's holding the battery down. All right, we got the battery in. Always make sure watch your cords. Now we're just trying to work on that little bracket that's down there. I'll try that I showed you guys before. Just got to get it back in, and then that'll kind of keep the battery where it needs to be. One of these is kind of handy. We're gonna kind of use this to try to get this in there, because the hole is a pain in the ass. Dude, I thought Mitsubishi stuck things in crazy ass spots. All right, don't gotta go crazy tight, just make sure the battery doesn't move. There was like a little plastic O-ring that was on there, so I guess for absorption, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I think that's good. Make sure to shake that battery.
It ain't going
That ain't
nowhere.
going nowhere. Make sure you put your vent back in. Perfect. That looks good. All right, now it's the opposite. So we're going to put positive on, and then you go to the negative. So I didn't think we'd be working on your car this quickly, you know?
Yeah, I know, right?
And now the negative. So it's not that hard, obviously, if we can do it. And then we're gonna have to register the battery.
It's not hard, but it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah. All right, now we gotta go in here and we have to register the battery. We have the blue drive. All right, well, the sensor reader, I think, is right under here. So now we're gonna connect it. All right, so now it's in accessory mode where you just have to hold the start button, but just don't hit the brake so you don't turn the car on. Oh, it's connecting to your vehicle now. See if you can scan the VIN. Scan the VIN. And scan it?
Yep.
Perfect. All right, Dave, scan the VIN. Show them where the VIN is, Dave.
The VIN is right there.
Now, I'm gonna go to service and battery registration. Okay, ensure you have a new battery installed. Check. You should only replace the battery with one of the same capacity we do. Well, that's what you, I hope you did. I wasn't with Dave when he bought it, but we're gonna take his word for it. Turn the engine on. Turn the ignition on, engine off. Okay, so accessory mode. Press the register button below to initiate the battery registration process. If the registration fails, please clear any engine codes and try again. Okay, so register battery. So now we're gonna hit, you gotta hold register. To complete the scan, please turn the ignition off for about 5 seconds, then back on and press OK. Okay. Okay. And now OK, right? Damn, so your thing has to be really close.
Nice.
Registration complete. So now the ECU should know that there's a new battery in there and it won't overcharge it, and we should be all good.